dear students and the participants. As you know that the main motive and the purpose of today's this program is that we have conducted this intersection grammar quiz competition. And the main purpose of this is just to test the students' knowledge, confidence, grammar skills, and quick thinking abilities. These are the main purpose of it and main dimensions. And for this today's event, we have the topics which had already shared with you. 4 topics are there. One is prepositions, second is clauses, third is active and passive voice, and fourth is tenses. As you know that language is the foundation of the communication, and grammar is the backbone of the language. So we have to be very much strong in grammar. Suppose if you have to write something, you are writing the letters, you are writing the essay. Unless and until you are not grammatically sound, your essay or the letter is not reckoned as it should be. So before writing anything, you have to have the expertise in the grammar so that you can write your essay or you can write your letter grammatically correct. Now, for not taking much of your time, I would like to introduce now the participants group. We have 4 groups here and they are from the 4 sections. 7th A, the participants are Riyan Sarfaraz, Zaid bin Hamid, Atif Ayub, and Mohammad Salih, Hayat Jahangir, and Faizan Nisar. 7th E, we have Mohsin Mudassir, Muhammad Atif, Muhammad Suhaib, Azka Firdos, Barira Sayar, Ayat Shamim. 7th I, the participants are Fatima Batur, Aliza Wasim, Huwaid Muzaffar, Bhatt Fatima, Saida Zamin, Alima Reis. 7th S, the participants are Suwaid Shahlal, Salim Indrabi, Sahiba Tajammul, Faisal Isaac, Zohra Parvez, and Nafiz. So, I would like to request all of the audience to give the big round of applause. Now, let me introduce the rules. As you know that the topics are already introduced to you, which topics will be asked there. There will be no negative marking. So, you are at the liberty. Second thing is that we don't have much of the time, so the question will not be passed. If a group is not able to give the answer correctly, so that question will not be passed to the next one. We have 4 rounds, rather 5, and each round has 4 or 3 patterns of the questions. One pattern is that is multiple choice question, fill in the blanks, and rapid fire, or that will be the identification of something, identification of the tenses. And last round would be that the buzzer round. Buzzer round means that that will be the question for all. The 4 groups, the question will be to the all, it will be asked, and the group, one who gives the answer very rapidly, so they will be given the marks for the same. And each group has to be very much cautious of the thing that you have to give the answer within 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, the time will be up. Sir will then ring the bell there. So you will understand yourself that we have the time is over for you. So let me now directly come to the topic, first topic which I am going to introduce. And the question first will go to 7th S. Right here the okay, 7th S. And the question is, listen the question. The cat jumped, dashed the wall. This is fill in the blank. This is not fill in the blanks. It is multiple choice question. I will give the options. And the options are in, over, during, between. Your time starts now. Right answer. Clap for them. Now the question on 7A. The principal will arrive dash 10 a.m. Options are at, in, on, for. At. Correct answer. Clap for them. Louder, louder. Now the question for 7th A. I. Sorry. We have been waiting here dash 2 hours. You get the answer without the option. So, there.
It's actually right answer. Give them answer.
Now, it is the rule that without the option you should not give the answer. And what the answer you gave? That is wrong. Yes. No marks for them. Question was, we have been waiting here dash 2 hours. Yes, they mentioned it is 6, but it is 4. All is the right answer for that. Now, it is 7th I. Now the question for 7th E. And the question is, the keys, 7th E. The keys are dash the drawer. Options are among, inside, during, beside of. Inside the correct answer. Now, let us move to the second pattern of the question. 1 mark for each. 1 mark for each question. Raise the please. Come here. But you have to be there. Okay. Second pattern of the question is fill in the blanks type. But the topic is same. You remember this. Question here dash 2018. He has lived here dash 2018. Since is the correct answer. Round of applause for them. Now, question for 7th I. The train passed dash the tunnel. The train passed dash the tunnel. Give the answer first. Through the tunnel is the correct answer. Give the round of applause for them. Give your hands together. Now, question for 7th E. She is good at mathematics. That is the correct answer. Now, next pattern of the question is rapid fire.
Be careful.
Rapid fire, there will be just 3 seconds to give the answer. Yes.
And anyone can
Fast. It is fast finger. Question is, calculate the marks. Question is, for 7th S, which preparation is used before days of the week? Which preparation is used before the days of the week? Preparation.
It was a really great competition among the groups and the score card is section A has got 2 marks, section E has got 2 marks, section I has got only 1 mark, and section S also has got only 1 mark.
Estimate competition is 3-4 rounds. So you can excel. So you have an opportunity to do that. Now, you be all silent. Now the second round, which we are going towards, is round of classes.
Is it MCQs or
MCQs a different pattern in this case. Yes. First pattern is MCQ type. And the question first goes to 7th S. Which class can stand alone as a complete sentence? Give the answer. Only one can give the answer. Yes. Correct answer. A. Identify the subordinate clause. Identify the subordinate clause. When the train stopped, we went outside. Listen, the options. Options are: we went outside. When the train stopped, outside, stopped rain. Sentence is: identify the subordinate clause. When the rain stopped, we went outside. We went outside is first option. Second is: when the rain stopped, outside, stopped rain. Correct answer. But don't take much of the time. Okay, give them. Okay. Next question. Go to 7 I. 7 I. Listen the question. Be careful. Which type of clause describes a noun? Options are: adverb clause, independent clause, adjective clause, main clause.
Adjective clause.
Correct answer. Round of applause for them. What now, the question for 7th E. 7th E. Listen, I know that he is honest. The clause that he is honest is noun clause, adverb clause, adjective clause, independent clause. First,
Adjective clause.
wrong answer. To section S. Listen, be careful. Because she worked hard. Independent adverb, noun, adjective. You have to identify the clause. Because she worked hard. Independent adverb, noun, adjective. Wrong answer. Adverb clause. Now, moving forward. Now the question for 7A. 7A. Yes. Listen. Who lives next door? Identify the clause. Independent adverb, noun, adjective. Next door. Yes. Independent adverb, noun, adjective. First. Yes. Noun. Wrong answer. Adjective first. Next. 7th I. Identify the clause. That honesty is important. Independent adverb, noun, adjective. Noun clause is the right answer. Clap for them, clap for them. Now the question for 7th E. Question for 7th E. The children are playing. Independent clause, adverb clause, noun clause, adjective clause. The children are playing.
Independent.
Correct answer. Fill in the blanks. Question is: dash the bell rang. The students entered the class. When is correct answer? Yes. Next, I know he will win the competition. Fill in the blank. I know that he will win the competition. Fill in the blank. That is correct answer. Very good. Clap for them. Our AS is doing favoritism. Okay. Now the question for 7th I. The girl that topped the class received a prize. Who is the correct answer? Clap for them. stayed indoors dash it was snowing. Because the correct answer. How many clauses are there in the sentence? I will give the sentence. You have to identify how many clauses are there. When the teacher entered, the students became silent. 2. Correct answer.
Have been asked and the scores are section A has got 5 marks and section E has got 4 marks. Section I has got 5 marks and section S 4 marks.
Okay. From the top we goes to 7th S. Sentence is change into passive voice. Change into right now. Question is the teacher praised the students. Alright. Correct answer. 7th E. The police arrested the thief. The thieves were it is thief. Okay, still is correct answer. Yes. 7th A. Question is the road is being repaired by the workers. The road is being the roads are repairing the okay, correct answer. Clap for them, clap for them. Okay. The letter has been written by Ali. Ali? Wrong answer. The question for 7th E. Be attentive. The song was sung by the singer. The song was sung by the singer.
The singer sang a song.
The singer sang. Which helping verb is commonly used in passive voice? Remember. Which helping verb is commonly used in passive voice? Has, is, am, or, do, can. Which helping verb is commonly used in passive voice? Has, is, am, or, do, can.
Has.
E has got 7 marks so far.
Yes. In this round.
Exactly.
Yes.
All these rounds.
Okay.
So, section I 6 marks.
Okay.
Section A also 6 marks. What?
Yes, yes, wait, wait.
Section
Okay.
S
Yes.
6 marks and section A 7 half.
Question to 7th A. Oh, listen. Question is, they were playing football. They were playing football. Identify the tense. Past continuous is the correct answer. Question for 7th E. And the question is, he will visit Delhi next week. He will visit Delhi next week.
Future simple.
Correct answer. Is he there to school every day? He there to school every day. Verb is go. Correct answer. Is they dash cricket when it started raining. The verb is play. Started raining. Verb is play.
When it started raining.
Yes.
Sir, do we have to use a natural verb?
Yes, you can change.
So they were playing.
Huh?
They were playing.
They were playing cricket is correct answer. Very good. Okay, now the question for 7th I. She dashed her work already. Verb is complete. She dashed her work already. Yes.
Completed.
She
Has completed.
watch.
Sir, we will watch.
We will watch is correct answer. An action happening now. Options are simple past, present continuous, future perfect, past perfect. Oh, time is not that much. Yeah, repeat. Why don't you listen to the answer? Say louder. You answer only one thing. Present continuous is correct answer. Question number 7. She had eaten before I arrived. This sentence is in. Listen. She had eaten before I arrived. This sentence is in. The past perfect.
Sir, rules.
Tomorrow. Identify the tense. They will be traveling tomorrow. Identify the tense. Future perfect, future continuous, present continuous, past continuous.
Future continuous.
Correct answer. Now, question for 7th E. Listen the question. I am reading a novel. The helping verb in the sentence is reading novel am I. Am is the correct answer.
This round.
Yes.
Or outer marks.
No, this round.
7th A has got 1 marks. This round.
Okay, because of the 1%.
Exactly 1 7th A. 7th A. Okay. 7th E 2 marks.
Okay.
And 7th I 1 marks. 7th S 2 marks.
Back to the sentence. He do not like apples. He raised his first. He. Wrong. Listen the question. Change into passive voice. The students are decorating the hall. Correct. In the blank. Neither the teacher nor the student is there present. Neither the teacher nor the student is there present.
Good.
Identify the. Oh, listen. Identify interpretation. Identify the preparation. Raja sir, please. You see towards them. Who is raising hand first? The ball rolled under the chair. What is correct answer? Final round. And the question is just for 2 sections. Choose the correct conjunction. Work hard that you may fail. Conjunctions are otherwise, because, and, although. He raised it first. Stand up. Give the answer now. Oh, there is otherwise. Correct answer. I would now request.
And all the participants participated very well, and I pay my congratulations and thanks to Muzaffar sir, the HOD of the department, program. So let me now announce the results now. Section A has got 10.5 marks. Section I has got 8 marks. Section S has got 10 marks and section E has got 12 marks.